Ningxia Market. We start off our visit at the entertainment section. So Ningxia Market, like most of the night markets in Taiwan, not only have a food section, but they also have like an entertainment section and a shopping section. And as you can see, the entertainment section has stuff for younger kids and for older people as well. Now, Ningxia Market is located pretty centrally, pretty close to the Green Line. It is one of the smaller ones in Taipei, but it definitely has the variety of food that is required of a night market. Now, we didn't try everything, but we did try a couple of things which we will show you in a minute. Now, a couple of things to know about night markets in general is that there is a lot of food, but as there is a lot of good food as well, there's also a lot of people, which means that it can get very busy from time to time, and sometimes, depending on the stall that you're at, you'll have to queue for quite a while. But don't let that deter you. The food generally is great and on a relatively cheap price, which means that you can fill up on good foods.
Dit zijn eiwanden en dan magen, borsten, intestines.
Now, Ningxia Market has been around for 40 to 50 years, and what I like most is the fact that it's actually mostly one long street, which means that it's easier to navigate, as you don't have to go left and right and into various corridors to find stuff that you want. Now, secondly, I mean, the food is very nice. The people, so the vendors, are always willing to give you an explanation or just a bit of their time. This place to sit, this place to stand, as you can see, generally where you can sit is behind the stalls. And the food is generally very nice at a very decent price. Also, it smells amazing in there. I wish I could show you the smell, but that doesn't work, unfortunately.
Okay, sweet. Ja. Nou, het is een... Welke denk je? Nou, barbecue sauce. Ja.
Ja, barbecue sauce.
Ik dacht, ja, waarom niet? Oké.
Now, this was the first dish that we tried, the fried squid, which was filled up with cucumbers and radish mostly, covered in this case in a bit of barbecue sauce. As you saw, you could also take chili sauce, but I wasn't feeling too risky that night. Now, the squid was really nice because the outside is pretty bouncy, with the crunchy inside of the cucumber with the good sauce. Yeah, it was definitely worth it. Now, the second dish that we tried was the stinky tofu. Now, the stinky tofu soup is obviously something specific to Asia, well, stinky tofu is, but it's really nice. It has a good flavor, but you have to be into the whole stinky tofu thing.
剪开呀，这样子比较方便一点。
Now, as you can see, most of the things at the night markets are made fresh, so you'll definitely have quality and flavor to spare.
And what do you think about it?
It's really nice. The inside, the egg, is really soft. Scallions in the middle, crunchy skin. It works really well. It is fatty though. But yeah, it looks.
How much you give it?
8.5. Something like that.
That's quite good.
Yeah, it's a good snack. I wouldn't need 10 of these though.
It's also not very expensive, huh?
No.
It's 50 Taiwanese dollar.
Yeah.
Perfect snack.
Ja. Ben je nu nog aan het filmen?
Ja.
Oké. Nog eens zo oud.
Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to share the video to your friends, and we'll see you on the next one.